If you ever tried to set EPLAN settings via Skript and didn't know the actual property name, then this video exactly solves this problem. Today I'm going to show you how we can activate a hidden menu in EPLAN which allows us to directly display the name of each setting so we can use them in our script. If you want to know how this works, hang on, cause we'll jump right into it. Join the community today, hit the subscribe button and never miss a new video again. We start in C# and we copy our Hello World C# file. We rename it to Hidden Settings. So it's actually really simple. We're just going to switch briefly to the website by Suplanus because Johan has already provided the code for us there. You can just copy it and paste it into your C# file. I'll put the link to that site down in the video description, so definitely check it out. There are a bunch of useful free tips. Now back in C#, we paste the code in and save everything with Ctrl+S. This script runs with the start command. And one more thing, we need to set that hidden menu options value to true in EPLAN because by default it's not visible in the normal interface. So we'll hop back over into EPLAN and do that. Back in EPLAN, we go on the top left side on File, on Extras, Interfaces and then Scripts, and we click on Run. And here we can find our hidden settings script. We click on Open. And as you can see, setting has been activated, but EPLAN needs a restart. So we quickly restart EPLAN. After the restart, we click on File, go to the settings, and now we can make a right click on a setting that we want to use in one of our scripts or directly in our menu bar. And as you can see, we got the new feature, Copy Path for Setting to Clipboard. We click on the new context menu point, open a text file and fill it in. And as you can see, we have here the user, get viewer, color scheme and current. This means this setting is for the current color scheme. And the 0 at the end is the index. Some settings need an index, others don't. And now we can go to the ribbon bar, click Customize Ribbon, and I have already prepared settings with editor white and editor black. I add the setting name to the tooltip so we can see how this works out. And as you can see, the setting name is exactly the name in the middle of the command line. The first part is the action that we need to set new settings. Then we have the setting name followed by the value and in this case the index. And maybe you already know how the code will look like if we want to switch the editor to black. Exactly, we need this command line with only a little switch right here at the value. We need to set this to black. And as you can see, the command line is exactly the same. The only difference is the value which we need to change to black. And if you have done everything correctly, you can now change the color of the editor without going to the settings and search for the appropriate entry. I hope this video helped you find the correct names for all the settings you want to work with in the future. Have fun trying it out and I'll see you in the next video.